Growing up as a child in Rivers State of Nigeria in a proper Ikwerre home, yam is one food my father never joked with. In fact, whenever my mom prepares yam pepper soup, he invites his friends over and they always eat this food with so much joy. A Rivers Ikwerre man never ever jokes with yam. We even celebrate yam festival here in Rivers State in Obiakpor local government area, okay, to be precise. Now this yam festival is called ibewuji. I will repeat that, ibewuji. In line with culture and tradition, ibewuji grants the Akpo indigenes and residents the freedom to consume the new yam harvest. Like I said, is a culture that the Obiakpor people here in Rivers State do not joke with. It is held annually. Okay, now I'm also married to a Rivers State man who does not joke with yam pepper soup. So guys, I always prepare this our local delicacy using these herbs from my mini garden. I made a post, guys, concerning my garden. You can check it out. I will drop the link in my description box. So guys, this is the amazing mouth-watering delicacy. So my darlings, please watch to the end as I show you all how I made this mouth-watering local delicacy. And while you watch, please like my video. Okay guys, so these are the key ingredients that I'll be using to make this local delicacy with this scent leaves I got from my mini garden. So guys, let me quickly introduce you guys to the names of these ingredients. This is dry fish, proper native dry fish. This one is from river, not farm trained. Okay, this is from river. Okay, the scent, the aroma, the taste of this fish in this native delicacy is amazing. I mean, that's why I went for everything native. Okay, so guys, these are the spices, okay, that I'll be using. These are native spices. I really don't know the English name for these spices, okay, but guys, while I'm editing this video, I would look for the names. If I see the English names, I'll put it down in the caption. Okay, so this is called uda. Let me see if I can open this up. This is called uda. Okay, it has its own spice and aroma and taste to this local delicacy. Okay, so this is crayfish and yellow pepper. I love this yellow pepper because it's very spicy. And this is palm oil. Okay, so guys, after peeling the yams, just like you saw in the intro, I have to wash the yams. I washed them properly. And I did that like twice before transferring the yams to the pot. Right now, I'm transferring the yam to the gas. I cooked this yam on medium heat so to buy me time to prep other ingredients like the spices. Okay, so guys, these are the spices. After washing them, I pounded them together with this crayfish and onions. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I added the yellow pepper, okay, and pounded everything together. And after pounding, I scraped it out and added to the pot. So guys, I didn't pound this uda together with the other spices. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do with this uda. I'll break them one after the other, just as you can see, okay, before adding them to the pot. So my darlings, after adding the uda spice to the pot, I covered up the pot and went straight up to prep the native dry fishes. Yes, I added this bonga fish as well. My darlings, the taste of this bonga fish is out of this world, and I used hot water to wash them. I bought these fishes off from the market. Okay, so I need to wash them properly. I'm gonna add the fish. So guys, I've washed this fish. I opened it up to wash it, so it's very clean. Okay, but I don't pieces this type of fish. Okay, so that's it. And then I'll cover it up to cook for like, I mean the yam is already done, so I'll cover this up to cook for like 2 minutes, so that the the aroma of the fish and everything will sink in together. So my darlings, the last thing I added to the pepper soup is this amazing herbs. I mean these lovely scent leaves. It adds its own aroma, its own taste, I mean its own flavor to the local delicacy. So this is me here cutting the leaves with my hands. Okay, we don't use knife to cut these leaves. Okay, so after cutting it, I added it to the pepper soup. Ta-da! The pepper soup is ready. So guys, after letting the scent leaves to cook for like a few seconds, I started frying the oil that I'll be using to mix the yams. So I added onions and a little bit of crayfish and a pinch of salt and stirred, and that's it guys. So here I'm scooping the yams out. I mean, look at the face of that yam. Oh god, this food is so amazing. I mean, you guys, if you try this food, just let me know. This is our local delicacy. So after mixing the yam, I just dished the soup. My darlings, the sight of this food, it's so amazing. Okay, I mean, you can tell just by looking at this meal. So my darlings, I have come to the end of today's cooking video. Thank you for watching.